Hello, in front of me I've got Samsung smartphone. In this video I'll show you how to restore deleted photos on any Samsung. If you are using Samsung smartphone, you can restore deleted files firstly by going to Gallery app, go to Menu, enter Recycle bin or Trash, and restore files from here. Next you can go to My Files, you can go to Recycled bin and also restore photos from here. Also, in the end you can go to Google Photos, go to Library, bin, and restore files from here. If you find this video helpful, please leave like, comment and subscribe.